Hello everyone, welcome back to another Music Learning Club video. In this lesson, we're going to learn to create a chord progression for a melody using major and minor triads. It would be easier to use this system if you know the key signatures and the scales. Firstly, put the numbers from 1 to 7 and write the quality of the chords in front of the numbers. Then add the scale notes in the middle. This will also show all the major and minor chords in the key. Remember that in major scales, 1, 4, and 5 degrees are major chords, 2, 3, and 6 degrees are minor chords. We have diminished chord on 7th degree, but in this lesson we're only going to use major and minor chords. Now I'm going to put all these major and minor chords into the boxes to complete my worksheet. Top of the table shows the scale notes with the number of degrees. The green shows the melody is in root, the yellow shows the melody is third, and the aqua shows the melody is the fifth in each chord. The logic behind this system is each chord includes the melody note as a chord tone. For example, in the first bar, we have C major and C, E, G, and the melody is C. And in the second chord, which is F major, C is the fifth, and in the A minor, C is the third. This is an example melody in the key of C major. I will use the table to see my options to choose the best chords that I like. Before we start to choose and create our chord progression, let's listen to the example melody. If you look at the melody, first note is C, which is the first degree in C major, and according to the table, underneath number 1, we have 3 chord options that I can choose. After I tried all the options, I decided to choose A minor for the first note and G major for the second note, which is D. I specially chose 3 notes in the second bar to show you how to choose the right chord when you have more than 1 note or 2 notes in the same bar. So if you look at the notes, the F, E, and D, and then D minor could best fit to the bar because there are 2 notes in the chord, F and D. You can choose 1 chord for every single note, but sometimes it would be too much. So if you would like to choose only 1 chord to cover 3 notes or 2 notes, then you need to look at all the option chords to see which chord you need to choose to cover the most notes from the melody. So D minor is covering 2 notes here. That's the best option I can choose. In the third bar, we have 6th degree, which is A. I chose F major for that. And the next note is 5th degree, which is G. I chose E minor for that. And the last note, which is 3rd degree, which is E, I chose C major for that. We have 2 or 3 chord options for each scale note to choose. I prefer to use the melody as 3rd or 5th in each chord, and usually using the melody as root in a chord at the end of the song. I have created 2 chord progressions for this melody that I composed as an example, and now I'm going to play the examples for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you soon. Bye.